Are there unexpected ways to boost vitamin D for osteoporosis prevention? Imagine unlocking simple, everyday strategies to support your bone health that you might not have considered. Vitamin D plays a vital role in preventing osteoporosis because it helps your body absorb calcium, which is essential for strong bones. While many know about getting sunlight, taking supplements, or eating oily fish and fortified dairy, there are some less obvious ways to boost your vitamin D levels that can be quite effective. First, sunlight exposure is key. Your skin produces vitamin D when exposed to ultraviolet B rays from the sun. But factors like where you live, your skin color, age, and whether you wear sunscreen can influence how much vitamin D you make. Even just 10 to 15 minutes of sun on your face, hands, and arms a few times a week can help. Interestingly, brief periods of sun exposure during non-peak hours or indirect sunlight can also contribute, especially if you spend time near water or snow, which reflected UVB rays and boost production without needing long exposure. Another unexpected source is mushrooms. Certain mushrooms like shiitake can be exposed to ultraviolet light, which increases their vitamin D content. Sun-dried mushrooms that have been exposed to UV light can contain high levels of vitamin D2, a plant-based form of the vitamin. Adding these mushrooms to your meals can be a tasty and natural way to enhance your vitamin D intake, especially if you follow a vegetarian or vegan diet. Fortified foods are also helpful beyond the usual milk and cereals. Some orange juices, margarine, and plant-based milk alternatives are fortified with vitamin D. Choosing these options can diversify your sources and help you reach your vitamin D goals without relying solely on supplements or fish. Pairing vitamin D with calcium-rich foods can further support bone health. Foods like dried figs and prunes, known for their calcium content, can indirectly help because vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium more efficiently. Maintaining a balanced diet that includes these nutrients supports the overall process of bone remodeling and strength. Lifestyle choices matter too. Engaging in weight-bearing and muscle-strengthening exercises can improve bone density and make your bones more responsive to vitamin D. Keeping a healthy weight, avoiding smoking, and limiting alcohol consumption also support your body's ability to use vitamin D effectively and maintain strong bones. Lastly, how you take vitamin D supplements can make a difference. Vitamin D3, or cholecalciferol, is generally more effective than vitamin D2 in raising blood levels. Taking supplements with meals that contain fat can improve absorption because vitamin D is fat-soluble. In summary, there are many unexpected but practical ways to boost your vitamin D levels for better bone health. Optimizing sunlight exposure, including UV-exposed mushrooms in your diet, choosing a variety of fortified foods, and combining these with a healthy lifestyle can all help. Remember, individual needs vary, so it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional to determine what works best for you and ensure your vitamin D levels are adequate for osteoporosis prevention.